Welcome back, guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you a very interesting topic, that is how to change the language of your mobile. If you want to see your mobile in your native language, how can you change? Means if you are from, suppose, Filipino or any other French, how can you change your mobile language to that language from English? Or if you want to convert back to English, then how can you do that? So this is all about that. So if you have not subscribed this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel, and not wasting much of your time, just go to the settings, and here when you will come down, you will see the general management option. Go to the general management option, and here language is there. You can add language, any Nepali, Marathi, or any language, Catalia, English. You can go and choose your language, and here after that make it default. Suppose if I want to change it to Marathi, then set as default. Now it will, if I will go out, it has been changed. So now suppose you are not knowing now Marathi, how will go back to original English language? Just go to the setting, search here general, write general only, general. It will automatically give, in spite of you are not being able to read that language, you can type general and go to here, and from here you can select your language. Suppose I am changing it Filipino, then what will happen? Lagu kara. That has been changed. Now you can see that your mobile is now coming in Filipino language. So suppose anybody is not knowing Filipino language, what will that person will do to go back to English language? Just go and search general. Then this will come, type it here, and again can come back to English in 11. So this was all about I wanted to tell you how can you select your language, your native language, or if your mobile has been mistakenly selected by mistake, anybody has selected any other language, how can you come back to English or your native language? This is all about that. I hope I have explained you. If you have liked this video, if you have enjoyed this video, if you have gained some knowledge, please do consider to subscribe this channel. This is a new channel and needs your support. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks again.